My name is Michael Grinder. We are designing a very specific program just for the United Kingdom. It is through the sponsorship of Toby and Kate McCartney. Now, what is it about and why are we offering it? We used to have a world where you were successful if you had two qualities. One was knowledge and the other one was you were loyal, you'd been at the company a long, long time. Those two variables have now changed quite a bit. What people are looking for is leadership. Leadership of a very specific kind. And what do we mean by that? If you look at all communication, we only have about 10 to 20% of it is what you say. The other 80% is how you say it. So if you have two people, same knowledge, same degrees from university, the one that is more successful is the one that knows how to deliver that content. Delivery is leadership. The second thing that we know is very, very true. It's not that you have to be at the company a long time and then you have value. You have to come in and you have to be of value immediately. That's leadership. So we're going to design our program under two things. One is nonverbal communication and how to understand leadership as we understand it in our economy. Our leadership diploma is going to have three different parts, needed because we have three different aspects of communication. Number one, we want to teach you how to recognize what is going on in any kind of a group dynamic setting. Group dynamics is when you have three or more people. The same set of skills will apply one-on-one, but one-on-one oftentimes is easier for most people than understanding what a group is. A group is, there's different roles that people take on. If you're the leader, even if you're not in charge, you still could be the leader. You have to recognize and respond to those different roles. We don't want bullies. We want people that operate with influence. So what are all the patterns of group dynamics? That's our first of three parts. Our second of three parts is what are all the nonverbal responses you could do. We have done research and we've come up with 21 different patterns you can use. It's what you do with your eyes, your voice, your body, and breathing. You put those together, it makes you so much more powerful and impactful than the person who's not aware of those 21 patterns. Our third aspect that we have is presentation skills. Whether you're seated at a meeting, whether you are standing at a small committee, or whether you're presenting to a whole group of people, presentation skills is what most people remember and admire most. Three different aspects of our leadership diploma. Number one, group dynamics. Number two, all the nonverbal patterns you can do to respond to situations. And number three, presentation skills.